What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is freaking exciting. As you can see, I brought the new toy out and we're already gonna start modifying already. So let's get into today's video. Let's go. Yo! So as I mentioned in the other video, the bike had broken down on me, and so I had to do some wiring, and in that process, you know, I ended up obtaining a couple parts for the bike that I didn't even record. But I went ahead and I had gotten I had purchased fishtails, and I got them installed. So those are 36-inch satin fishtails, because the Vans and Hines that were on there look scary. I'll post a picture right now where you can kind of see how big the mufflers were. Way too big, way too quiet, had no noise. And then I went ahead and I got hard bags that have 6x9s already in them. They're on the inside. Right here, 6x9s. And it's because the bags that came on the bike were basically leather bags, and they just look so aged and so bad that the bike just looks horrible. Look, here's the picture again right here, what the bike looked like when I first got it. You know, I'm just not a fan. But with this back end on it, it does change the color and the style of the bike tremendously. And then it already came with the ape hangers. They're 18-inch bars and they're black. So I'm going to be doing some more black mods on it. That's why I got the fishtails in the satin instead of getting them in chrome. And so, yeah. And as you can see, the bike is red. It's not very common to get a red Harley, and this is a factory paint. This is a very limited edition, Fireman edition. So, really cool. It's a 2004 Road King Fireman edition. It's really limited, and it has the 88 cubic inch motor, and I believe it has a tune on it. So it runs really good. I just got done ordering a ton of parts on eBay, so you got to stay tuned for those videos. I did get this super cool plaque with my last name on it. You know, looks pretty tight. So I'm kind of going for like a Chicano style, retro kind of style bike right now. And so you guys are probably wondering what modification we're doing today. I'm pretty freaking excited, but I just picked up a 21-inch front wheel. We're going with the 60 spoke with the black rim and a black hub on a white wall tire. So this is the factory 16. It just looks really scary. Looks really awful. It is a mag wheel, front and back. Right now I'm just going to be doing the front wheel conversion. So we're going to go from a 16 to a 21. And I'm going to show you guys kind of how I do it. I'm going to be painting the forks and a couple pieces right here on the front fender. Kind of change the look of the bike, and I'll be doing that all in this video. So stay tuned, you guys. Let's get right into it. And oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing this my way, which is, you know, basically a garage mechanic YouTube guy. And yeah, I don't have a bike jack, so we're using a car jack, and I'll be showing you guys how to lift your bike with a car jack. You know, the life of Frankie way, as my dad says. And you can see he's over here. He's gonna be helping me out today with the camera and maybe some of the parts of working on it, but you can see his ISF over there looking pretty and bagged. Looks like it got lower. So we'll see. Oh, and just so you guys know, the Ranger's coming back to the channel. I officially paid all the registration and the tags. It's up to date, 2024 tags. I just need to get the smog done to get the sticker, and then I'm gonna be purchasing a lot of parts for that, and that's gonna be a fun one. So stay tuned for that build. That is coming really quickly. So all right, let's get into today's video. Okay, so these are some of the tools that we're gonna be using. 10 mil 12 point to get the calipers off. Then we're going to be using a 13 to get the lower part of the forks, the bolt off. And then I gotta look at what size it is for that. Should be like a 17 or something. I'll look it up. And then I want to say we use some Torx. We're using Torx. Some have Allens, so I'm using Torx though to get these rotors off, because I'm going to be swapping them over to the new wheel. So here it is. Looking pretty, brand new tire. Woo! I'm excited. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. So yeah, a lot of you guys are curious how you lift it. Go right here onto the frame, as you can see. Get right onto the frame. Use your kickstand. People are gonna get scared right now. But literally just you do it slowly, because your wheel's gonna move. As you can see, the wheel's moving. And a little more. You don't need it too high, just enough where it's off the ground, but right there is good. and it'll stay planted like that. And that's more than enough room. With the tire off, I can move everything around and do all the work I need to do on the bike, and it's not going to go anywhere. So you can see I'm shaking the bike. I'm shaking the bike. It's not going anywhere. Got full mobility of the front wheel. So yeah, and if I gotta go up a little bit higher, I can go up a little bit higher if needed, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna be pretty good. So yeah, let's start this transformation. So yeah, first I'm gonna start by removing the calipers. Once I get the calipers off, then I will go to the next part, which will be loosening this up and that big bolt, and then getting that out of the way. And then the wheel should come out right after that. So should be easy. Let's see. Maybe I will do a little time lapse. My dad's inside right now. Okay, and as you guys seen, in a very fast manner, the wheel is out. It only took me probably like 10 minutes. And here's the factory wheel. Just got to pull the rotors off now. Some Torx, like I said, get those off, transfer them to the new wheel. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna need to clean this white wall off, so that way it'll be ready to reinstall. But I'm gonna have to go ahead and take this front fender off so that I can drill the holes out so that I can tilt it a little bit. But I also just want to take it out just so I can paint the lower fender skirt on it, and then paint these little top piece right here, little chrome. I think I'm going to paint this light and delete it just because I don't like it, and I just ordered all new. I ordered all new stuff, but I didn't order this right here, so I'll probably just paint it, and then when the new one comes in, I'll just, you know, put the new smoked one on and it'll work again. So but yeah, and then like I said, we're going to be taking these forks and making them black, and the chrome or on there is pretty much gone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Really easy. Oh, it was a 19 to take that off, the big nut, and that was it, 19, and the mallet. So that's about it. Alright, and as you can see, I got the rotors back on. Definitely don't go with this wheel, but it is what it is for now. They're back on. The direction is right. Look how nice this looks compared to that. What is that? Jeez. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. Now I'm going to start removing the front fender. Start marking some things up to paint. And then I'll, you know, put the process of putting it back together. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do that off camera. I'll bring you back once I have things, you know, taped up and already have a, you know, first layer paint down. So stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, I got the fender off now. This is what I was saying. I had to cut the wires, but I'm gonna be painting this little fender skirt black, and this little beauty ring black, and this light black for the temporary. Meantime, it'll be all black till I buy the new one. And then, so here's the fork setup. I'm going to be taping off up here, covering back there, and then painting the front forks gloss black, and then just reinstalling it, you know, with the new front wheel. So stay tuned. That was just a little quick update, and yeah, let me get painting. I just got to tape stuff up and paint. You don't got to watch that. You just want to see that finished product. So do I. So as usual, we ran into a huge problem. For some reason, when I attempted to paint the front forks, the paint did not stick no matter what I did. I cleaned the surface, tried to put the paint on it, and it just got worse and worse. So then I tried to go and throw some primer over it to try to see if I could correct it. Didn't work, so then I ended up using some brake cleaner, somehow got it all off, sanded the surface, and then reapplied a different kind of primer. And right now I'm letting the primer dry, but it's looking tremendous. And oh my goodness, I should have recorded what it was looking like before, but it was in a scary state where I didn't know if I was going to be able to correct the issue and might have to buy new forks. But right now we're looking like we're in a good position. that's dry right now. I'm gonna start applying black. My dad's over there taping off the front fender so I can get that painted. And as soon as I lay this black down and I paint that front fender, we're pretty much on our way to go to put everything back together. You know, 15-20 minutes, and you know, we'll be back on the road. So fingers crossed this all goes smooth. That's just a little quick update. I know I was gonna show you when it was done, but I've spent an hour already just with trying to fix the problem of spraying these forks. So yeah, I'm all sweaty like usual. Typical day. All right, are you guys ready? Freaking A. It is together and it looks amazing. Woo! It made a huge difference. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. Woo! Oh man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the light right here. And with the fishtails too. With that low look, look at that. Look at that. I'll just leave it like that for a second. Man, it's coming together. 21-inch with the white wall, fishtails with ape hangers, red and chrome with black. Now we just got to get the rear tire white wall, and I got to paint it. I didn't get time to paint it right now. I'm in a rush. But yeah, it's coming together. It's coming together. What do you guys think? Drop it in the comments. What do you guys think? What do you think I should do next? I do have a lot of stuff coming, so, you know, stay tuned for that video. But this is what she's looking like. Sheesh. All right. I'll see you guys in a bit. Yo, what is good? We're here at a trunk or treat with my girl B and the kids. Decorated the trunk, but it's definitely popping. Definitely popping. A lot of people here. Went ahead and got the wheel all done, looking fire. So what's up, man? Came out here. Oh yeah, it's looking good. What up? Sheesh. Right here trying to get some boba pub with my girl. Well, it's not boba pub, this is... Yo, okay everybody. I'm home. I was trying to record at the trunk or treat that my club was putting on, but just too much music. But that's gonna do it for today's video. So I appreciate everybody who's been following along and all my subscribers. And if you're not, please subscribe. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go.